envoy to the UAE, Mr. General ng Philippine Consulate dito sa Dubai, Consul Marford Angeles.
Member of the House of Representatives, Mr. Joel Consing, President and CEO of the Maharlika Investment Corporation, Yusek Patricia Yvonne Kaunan, otherwise known as Yusek PY, BMW, Honorable Yusek Gerald Barya, PCO, and Honorable Yusek Franz Imperial, RTVM. Of course, also Ambassador Al-Khatam, the UAE Ambassador to the Philippines. Distinguished guests, honorable leaders of the Philippine community, my dear kabayans, sorry po ako po ay humihingal. Magandang hapon po sa inyong lahat. It is with immense pride and great pleasure that I welcome you to this extraordinary gathering.
Tama natin, the program will continue after lunch. So enjoy lunch, everyone.
Senator. First flight attendant.
Habang tayo ay nagtatanghalian, maraming kaganapan ang ginagawa ng ating pamahalaan sa Pilipinas.
Of the Philippines, Luis Araneta Marcos.
Thank you so much for taking time off to be with us today. It really means a lot. The ambassador, the very handsome Mohammed Al-Sadi. Thank you very much. Sit. Love you, love. Kanina, wonderful the Filipinos are here, how you help each other, how it's a great community. So I just want to say thank you very much. Unsung heroes. I know it's difficult to be away from home, but just know that you make us so proud talaga. And before I cry, just know sama-sama tayo, babangon muli.
Muli, maraming salamat, First Lady Luis Araneta Marcos. At ngayon sa puntong ito ay Imagay ang bandila, Dubai! On the count of 3, 1, 2, 3, say mabuhay! Isa pa ba, 1, 2. Maraming salamat po. Ako sa ating programa dahil may pagkakataon pa tayong magkaroon ng picture kasama ng ating First Lady. Tatawagin po namin kayo table per table. Kaya maupo muna tayo. Natiling ako.
1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Kina pa. 3, 4, 5. Okay.
6 ang next. Sabay 7.
4.
On the way up now is table 20.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Maraming